An amazing turkey stuffing recipe. Thanks for watching and spending a little kitchen time with me today. Before we jump into this mouth-watering turkey stuffing recipe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more Space Coast stories, home search tips, community highlights, and, of course, recipes perfect for your new or future kitchen. Stay until the end for a fun turkey fact, and remember, when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen views to something sunny, sandy, and Space Coast spectacular, I'm your girl. Homemade Thanksgiving turkey stuffing, Space Coast style. This recipe is everything Thanksgiving should be: cozy, flavorful, comforting, and guaranteed to make your home smell like pure holiday magic. And hey, if you make this stuffing in a brand new Space Coast kitchen, I'll take full credit for both the dish and the home. Ingredients: large loaf of day-old bread, about 12 cups, cubed 1 stick, 1½ cup, unsalted butter, large yellow onion, finely diced, 4 celery stalks, chopped 3 garlic cloves, minced, 2 cups chicken or turkey broth, large eggs, lightly beaten 1 TSP salt, half Tut's black pepper, TBSP poultry seasoning, or sage, thyme, and rosemary mix. Optional additions: parsley, mushrooms, cooked sausage, dried cranberries, pecans. Instructions: prepare the bread dry. Your bread cubes overnight. If you're short on time, bake them at 275 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, just enough to firm them up. Kind of like how I firm up home prices when negotiating for my buyers. 2. Sauté the veggies. Melt butter in a skillet, then cook onions and celery until softened, about 10 minutes. Add garlic in the final minute. Your kitchen will smell so good your neighbors might wander over, and I can help them buy a home too. Okay. Combine the ingredients in a large bowl. Mix the bread, veggies, seasonings, and add-ins if using. Pour in the beaten eggs and gently mix. Add broth slowly until the mixture is moist but not soggy, balanced, just like a perfectly priced Space Coast home. Bake to perfection, transfer to a greased baking dish. Cover with foil and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Remove foil and bake another 10 to 15 minutes until golden. If you want an extra crisp top, broil for 1 to 2 minutes, with the same attention I give to every detail of your home search. 5. Serve and enjoy. Fluffy, savory, and absolutely holiday-worthy, just like the homes waiting for you along the Space Coast. On turkey fact: turkeys can blush. When they get excited or startled, their head and neck can turn red, blue, or even white. Honestly, same when I see a gorgeous new listing hit the market. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more Space Coast fun, home tours, real estate tips, and recipes for your dream kitchen. And when you're ready to start that home search, I'd love to be your trusted Space Coast Realtor. Phone number 321-480-7662. Email margarett.klein@xrealty.com. Website Margarett Sells Dream Homes. YouTube link youtube.com Dream Home Space Coast Florida. Happy Thanksgiving.